Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's revolutionizing the way we create and manufacture. How 3D designing plays a pivotal role in 3D printing, especially when it comes to creating efficient, eco-friendly designs. If you're passionate about sustainability and cutting-edge technology, you're in the right place. 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, transforms production by building objects layer by layer. And behind every successful 3D printed product lies a detailed, well-thought-out design. This design isn't just about aesthetics, it's the blueprint that ensures the final product is both functional and sustainable. With advanced 3D modeling software, designers create digital prototypes and run simulations, allowing them to optimize every curve, angle, and internal structure. This precision minimizes waste and material use, leading to both cost efficiency and environmental sustainability. The innovative aspect of 3D designing is particularly exciting. Designers are now able to explore complex geometries that traditional manufacturing methods would never allow. Intricate lattice structures, for example, maintain structural integrity while significantly reducing weight and material usage. This capability is especially important in sectors like aerospace and automotive, where every gram counts. Simulation tools and iterative design processes enable engineers and designers to test and tweak their digital prototypes, speeding up the development cycle while ensuring that the final product meets high standards of performance and sustainability. Sustainability is a fundamental aspect of modern manufacturing, and eco-friendly design is at the forefront of this movement. Designers today are increasingly opting for biodegradable or recycled materials that reduce environmental impact. By choosing these options, resources are conserved, and the overall carbon footprint of production is lowered. Moreover, smart design goes beyond the printing process. It considers the product's entire life cycle. Products designed for easy disassembly can be efficiently recycled, ensuring materials are recovered and reused when the product's life cycle ends. This minimization of waste during production and after the product's life is a game-changer in sustainable manufacturing. Real-world examples in automotive, aerospace, and consumer products illustrate how 3D printing combined with innovative design leads to the creation of lightweight, durable parts. In these industries, reducing weight not only improves performance, but also enhances fuel efficiency and lowers emissions, a crucial benefit in our drive towards sustainability. Looking ahead, the future of sustainable 3D printing is incredibly exciting. With advancements like generative design, artificial intelligence is now being used to create the most efficient structures possible. These cutting-edge technologies set the stage for even more sustainable manufacturing processes that push the boundaries of what's possible. Imagine a world where every product is designed with both performance and the environment in mind. From biodegradable phone cases to custom-designed prosthetics made from sustainable materials. That's the transformative power of 3D designing in action. In conclusion, 3D designing is at the heart of modern 3D printing. It's not just about creating a cool object, it's about designing with purpose, optimizing performance, minimizing waste, and making eco-friendly choices that pave the way for a more sustainable future. If you enjoyed this video and found it insightful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave your thoughts in the comments below on how 3D printing can shape a greener world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.